Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Text.X, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coin flip game. Coin flip game in BlueJ. It's a Java programming application for integrated development environment, and it's for beginners. So, what is a coin flip game? So basically, wait, I'll show you. Okay, so what's a coin flip game? So, a coin flip game is, for example, here I have this is my screen where the thing will be displayed. What first, a coin flip game is a luck game or a guess game. So, for example, what is the next flip? Heads or tails? And then they'll ask you, make your choice, heads or tails. So I if I choose heads, if I choose heads, then if the random guess is heads, then it will show that it is correct. But if the random guess that the AI makes is tails, but I decide heads, then the random guess it will make is this will be the wrong. So over here they'll write made a correct guess, and over here we'll write wrong guess. Try again. Okay, this will be uh the main motive of our game that we make. So I'll stop sharing my whiteboard. Now I'll share my BlueJ with you all. Yeah. So first I'll create a new class. I'll specify the name, which will be coin flip. Oh, sorry. Java naming class, you don't get to add spaces. Coin flip game. Okay, I created my new coin flip game. I'll open it. Yep, here is it. Where is it? Wait, I'll just drag it from here. Ah, yep, yeah. So first we'll add all our definite values. First we'll start adding import. Okay, so मुझे मालूम है उनका हाँ हम्म yes. So guessed wrong, and then the correct answer was, we need to add the correct answer value, and then the correct answer was plus coin results. Yep. After that, we will test our app. Okay, I'll test my app. Wait, now I'll just full screen it and compile. No syntax errors. Okay, let's see. What guess can we take? Let's take tails. Oh, yo. Okay, once more we'll try. Yes. Yes. Okay, yeah, I guess correct. Yo, let's go. Now, this is it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye guys. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel.